Using your voice in Suno AI is actually very easy, and today I will show you how to do that. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, first of all, I want you to log into your Suno AI account. After logging in, I want you to come to Create. On the Create, we're going to click on Audio, and we can either choose to upload or record a new audio. Baby girl, you bad. Love the way you whine. I demand over you, girl. I demand over you, girl. We're going to save, and we're going to make a cover. Now, as you can see here on this sidebar, we have our vocal, we have the lyrics, and we also have the prompt that describes our vocal. We are going to edit the styles to ensure that it sounds more like a record. Add melodious chords, add reverb and delay, and we're going to add piano and dark saxophone. Then we're going to click on Create. As you can see, we have two variations of our recording loading.
Baby girl, you better. Love the way you whine. I demand over you, girl. I demand over you, girl. Baby girl, you better. Love the way you whine. I demand over you, girl. I demand over you, girl.
And just like that, we have two variations of my vocal sounding very melodious. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. That's how you use your voice in Suno AI. On to the next one. See ya.